I really like. When we have a spreadsheet with lots of numbers, it's sometimes a little bit difficult to see the trend. So what we're going to do here is to show the trend from all this row in a few seconds. So if we go to insert, we can insert a sparkline. So sparkline is just to give us the trend. So I'm going to insert a line here, and of course it tells me where is the space. So to here. Here we go. Now we have a trend. So we know exactly what happened during the year. And then what I'm going to do very quickly is that I will change the style. So maybe I want to show the first point and the last point. Maybe I want to show, so I'm going to not. Maybe I want to show all the markers, and I'm also going to change color. Much better, right? Another thing I like to do is within the sparkline is that I'm going to say that all the axes are the same. There we go.